What's up everybody, welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Jeff, your favorite tour guide in Madeira, and today we are at the Blandy's Vindima and we're having one hell of a party. This is why they grow the vineyards on the top, you know, because Madeirans are short. So you can there you go, babes. The first one. Good boy. Yay! It's not just eating. We gotta work. We gotta work for our lunch today, huh? Oh yeah. Hey, check out that. And I'm gonna guess. Is this the Malvasia of São Jorge? I don't know. Look at it, we managed to get Nuno into the festival, eh? Oops. Oh, let's get this one right here. This actually looks more like Malvasia, this one does. It's got that like pinkish, I remember seeing in the books, it's got this like little pink kind of tinge, but I'm not sure. So this is an entire festival, of course. There's like there's a plan for the day. And I'm very excited about it. It's my first time at any Blandy wine Vindima, so very, very excited. So we're in Quinta de São Jorge, and we're gonna find out all about this place in today's video. So it's my first time here. I don't know, I think I've said it like 10 times. This place, of course, is on the northeast side of Madeira in São Jorge. Some of the most fertile land in Madeira, in Santana, all right? So, obviously, whoa, I'm losing grapes. Obviously, some of the best land means some of the best grapes, right? Yeah, look at this, wow. Fantastic. It's my pleasure to introduce Chris Blandy to the channel. Chris, say hello to everybody.
Hi everybody.
Just real quick, what are we doing today?
We're in September, beginning of September, and we're here in our property on the north called Quinta de São Jorge. And this is the most important time for us as a wine producer because we're picking grapes. So this is the conclusion of 12 months of hard work from the grape team to make sure that we're producing high quality fruit here, and we've asked everybody to come along and pick with us.
I mean, from what we know about Vindimas, it's kind of like a working celebration. People are kind of getting together and helping out to do everything, and then it's a festive time, right?
It is. I mean, you know, that's the important thing. Obviously, there's a lot of work here, and so people are great. They really, you know, get involved. But it's all about creating experiences as well, you know, and especially even for us as adults, but also for the younger generations. It's being part of this is actually cementing something for the future as well. So yeah, it's a great time. It's a celebration, and we're all going to celebrate afterwards with a good lunch as well. Before you get back to work, we're picking. This is Malvasia grape, correct?
Yeah. Maybe you could answer me this because I'm not sure. Is it called Malvasia de São Jorge?
Correct.
Is it because it's different to Malvasia?
Yeah, so I mean, just as an introduction to Malvasia is probably the most important varietal that exists on the island of Madeira. It was apparently the first planted varietal here shortly after the discovery in 1419.
Yes.
So there are actually recorded instances of Malvasia being shipped out even during the 15th century. So it's always been recognised as Madeira wine. They say that the first recorded plantation of Malvasia actually came from Crete, called Malvasia de Lipari, or what we call here Malvasia candida. But obviously with time and with that type of varietal, it was actually quite difficult to grow. And during the 70s, there was a big research and development work done to try and introduce a different type of Malvasia onto the island. And it was called Malvasia São Jorge because this was the location where the Malvasia was producing the best. So I'd say probably about 98% of all the Malmsey that we pick on the island is actually from this region, and it's called Malvasia São Jorge. But it does, because of the winemaking style, it does actually produce wines that are of the similar sweetness level as the original Malvasia Candida.
Fantastic. Well, we'll catch up later, so we can talk a little bit deeper into this topic, because I got a couple of questions.
Sure.
But for now, we're gonna pick some more grapes.
Get back to work.
Get back to work. Yeah.
Absolutely.
I'll see you in a bit, Chris.
Okay. Cheers.
Cool. Time to kick off with some light wine. One of my favorite stories of Madeira wine. By the way, I wanted to, when I was thinking about this vlog and how I was going to present it and everything, I did want to speak about one of my favorite books, which is the Madeira book by Alex Liddell. One of the stories in that book and why Madeira wine was so famous in the early days was because of the captains of the ships. They said that whenever they had Madeira wine on board, that their crew would work harder, right? So that the crew could go days without water, without food, but if they had Madeira wine, they'd keep going. And I think this is kind of what's going on today, you know, because last night was my bachelor's, and for all the boys who were involved, thank you guys. And it was the bachelorette for the ladies. So everyone's feeling a little bit rough, I think. So we need to drink some more Madeira so we can get some strength, so we can do some good work out here, right? So thank you again, Blandies. And check us out. We're writing our names in our glasses so you don't lose your glasses, so you don't waste, not have more glasses and things. The rain's coming down. It's been raining and not raining, but now it's really coming down. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I believe this is the wine to try, the 2022. Is that how you say 2022? Hey! Oh yeah! There we go, let's do it. Yes! Yes, Anna, cheers. That is correct, it is raining, it means that it's going to be blessed. Whenever you're celebrating in the rain, it means it's going to be blessed in Portuguese. That's how we're doing it. Atlantis, I've just heard that this is like one of the best ones. Woo! It's really coming down, eh? It's gonna pass. It's gonna pass, I think. Yeah. Madeira wine is a dessert wine, and we have some dessert in front of us. It's fantastic. Some brownie. Thank you, Blandies, for that amazing lunch. We're very excited. Now, the brownie's fantastic. I don't know, can you do it? Woo! She's like, no, she doesn't want to see anything. Come on, hey, you sure? It's to join the tequila and the vodka, the Jägermeister. Jägermeister? No, oh look, you say Jägermeister and she goes, oh.
Jägermeister is from Germany,
Ah.
from Braunschweig.
So it's your fault.
My son lives in Braunschweig. Jägermeister is from there.
Ah.
Yes.
Well, I'm a big fan. I like Jägermeister. Maybe her not so much. She doesn't like it. Hey, not so much, huh?
The Jägermeister.
No, no good. A sweet Madeira with your desserts is the best way to go. And I'm very excited because next we are going to be squashing grapes, I believe, if the rain doesn't come back, which looks like it's gone. It's September now, officially, and we are having all 4 seasons in one day in Madeira, and this will be the case all the way until July, right? Jeff is talking too much. Yeah, no, you know, I'm just gonna enjoy my Madeira, okay? Enjoy some Madeira, my friend. Chris, it was an absolute pleasure being with your crew. One of the things I really noticed, especially now when everyone started to get inside, was this kind of like bond between the people. It seems like you guys have a really great culture at Blandy's, or the Madeira Wine Company.
Yeah.
You know, is this kind of something you look for? Is it something you work on? Is it?
Yeah, you know, it's a celebration of everything we've been trying to do all the year, and you know, getting some of the team together, getting a lot of our clients together, getting some journalists together. It's a great moment of sharing the experience of making wine. And you know, I think we're all kind of making it with the idea that, who knows, in 5, 10, 20 years, when we finally bottle this wine, we'll remember, you know, how it was back on the 2nd of September 2023 and enjoy it. So.
Well, you'll be able to see the vlog on our YouTube channel.
There you go.
So we can always go back and check that out.
Absolutely.
Yeah, man, look, I don't want to take up too much of your time. I know you're a busy man. And maybe one day we can do something a little bit more formal where we sit down and we actually talk about a little bit more in depth of Madeira wine.
Sure, yeah, I love that.
So I know Chris has to go, so, you know, thank you, Chris.
Thank you.
Right, is there anything you want to say to the people?
Come and join us next year, same place, same time. Happy to receive you here.
So you guys are going to do something like this in tourism, because I know you're kind of thinking about, is it announced yet or not really?
It's something we're working towards. So we obviously got the wine tourism Funchal, and now what we're trying to do is develop the Quintas in the rural areas of Madeira. And the whole point is to try and make people experience this. Obviously, you know, harvest time is only in a short period during the year,
of course.
We're hopefully going to be opening up our Quintas, so that people can come in and enjoy a little bit what is agriculture, and especially sustainable agriculture that we have here on the property.
Fantastic. Well, we've been blessed today with everything.
Yeah, we got lucky.
Thank you very much, Chris.
Cheers, yeah.
I'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Cheers, bye.
Cheers.
I can't believe it took me almost 15 years to find my way into a Blandy Vindima, but it was absolutely amazing. My first Blandy experience, and I really, really enjoyed it. I have no doubt that once they bring these things to the market, these visits to the Quintas and their gastronomical and wine experiences, I'm sure it's gonna be fantastic. And I promise you guys that when this comes out, that we're gonna be on top of it. And if you're looking for food tours, food and wine tours coming later, make sure you check out shutupandEatMadeira.com. It's official, it's live. You can go and book your food tour in Madeira. We're launching with 2 new products, and we'll get into that a little bit later. I don't want to like kind of kill the buzz on the Vindima, because we're all having a great time. I've probably drank a little bit too much wine, but I'm not driving. So it's time to find Nuno and to get out of here and to chill out, because this next week is going to be crazy. So I want to say thank you to all of you guys. As some of you may know, I'll be gone for a while. We'll be gone for a while. I promise you that we've got good things coming once we're back. And I don't know, Andre?
What's it, the road?
No. It's shut up and eat.
Shut up and eat.
Shut up and eat, boys and girls. I'll see you next week. Ciao.
Great.
Well,
done.
yeah, you
That's
might
good.
cut that out.
What?
I'll see you next week.
I'll see you next week.
Maybe
Everything
we.
is getting into the video, including this part.
Okay.
That's
Oh
when
shit!
the,
Really?
The logo. That's when the
This is the
logo
logo
appears
pops up.
here,
PopSec
you know.
Studios, best studios in the world. If you're looking for video and audio and photo and everything that is promotion, popular in a second, PopSec.
Shut up and
Shut up
send
and
us an
eat.
email.
Yeah, send us an email, exactly. Shut up and send us an email.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's get out of here.